Imagine getting your hands on the most advanced, Google-friendly email marketing technology that sends unlimited browser-friendly emails to unlimited subscribers for zero monthly or yearly fees. And with that, you can happily say goodbye to expensive email marketing platforms like Arbor, GetResponse, MailChimp, Constant Contact, etc. once and for all. Yes, you got that right. We're about to lift the curtains on a super fast and most reliable email marketing platform that sends tons of spam-free emails to your subscribers at the blink of an eye with zero IP blacklisting and accounts getting banned ever. So, if you too are willing to enter the profitable world of email marketing without failing to comply with the latest Google and Yahoo updates, spending even a single penny on inefficient and expensive autoresponders, paying huge monthly subscriptions to Arbor, GetResponse, MailChimp, etc., getting your IP blacklisted by sending spam emails and without falling prey to self-proclaimed email marketing gurus, I've got some great news for you today. Welcome. MailDaddy first to market Arbor Killer Tech sends unlimited browser-friendly emails to unlimited subscribers, marks spam emails using secret naive-based technology and gets 99.96% inbox delivery with zero monthly fees ever. With MailDaddy, you pay only once and get on the fast track to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for zero monthly cost. MailDaddy sends unlimited Google-friendly emails to unlimited subscribers in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Login. Step 2. Upload list. Step 3. Send and profit. That sounds amazing, right? Check out these amazing benefits inside MailDaddy. Send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for zero monthly cost. Use Gmail's AI-powered defenses to stop more than 99.9% of spam, phishing, and malware attacks inside inbox. Fully compliant with Google and Yahoo's 2024 updates, so no risk of IP blacklisting and accounts getting banned. Get 100% SPF, mark and DKIM compliance to boost your sender reputation.